What's up guys, so today we're here with another Homeowners for Noobs special edition. So we've been having some problems with our furnace. It's a Carrier dual stage furnace. And basically the high heat mode wasn't working. So that basically means anytime it got real cold or during the day, particularly during the day when we turned the heat lower to like 60 degrees or 62 degrees, and then we got home and it needed to heat up the temperature like 5 degrees, it would go into high heat mode. Or it wouldn't go into high heat mode and it would just stop, the furnace would stop and it would flash an error. So basically if you're experiencing the furnace intermittently working, or when it's getting cold the furnace stops working, there's a little hack here that you can use to force your heater to just run in the low heat mode and not engage the high heat mode, which is basically broken. So I'm going to show that to you guys. So basically on your furnace, and I'll post the model number we have here, there's various Carrier dual stage units from around 2005 that this will work for. But on our Carrier Infinity thermostat here, we're just going to press and hold the advanced button for about 10 seconds, and that's going to bring up some technician or troubleshooting mode. So here we see the install service menu, and we're going to use and we're going to use the scroll to select checkout, as in check out the system. Select with this button. We're gonna check out the furnace, and this is a furnace check mode. We're gonna click next, and now basically the hack is you can force the low heat runtime by adjusting the time here for any amount of time you want. I think up to like 30 minutes. So normally when it's cold, the thermostat will just detect it needs to go to high heat mode. We'll skip the low heat mode, but your high heat mode is broken, so you have no heat. So this way we can just put our low heat on for like 30 minutes, allow the low heat to slowly heat up the house, and then after 30 minutes, low heat will hopefully just maintain the temperature. The furnace won't need to go into high heat mode anymore. This was a really helpful thing for us, so if it helped you, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.